How to fix Mobile Legends not working on USA. Let's get started. When you open Mobile Legends, you are getting the pop-up not available. So how can you fix it? For that, navigate to your Play Store or App Store. Now, at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in VPN and then search for it. With that, different VPN apps will appear. Navigate to this one as this is the free one. Click on Install. Wait for a few seconds. Once completion of its download process, launch it. Now click on Accept and Continue. Now click on the option Proceed with Ads. If you're interested, you can also buy the subscription. Once you're in this page, click on Connect option. Click on the option of Fastest Connection. In this page, you're going to find different country option. Select the one in which Mobile Legends is working. After you're connected to that country, now you can close this and launch your Mobile Legends app. Now the game will work. So this is how you can easily fix Mobile Legends not working on USA. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.